Diversity of life. Today's discussion. Biological diversity is the variety of life on Earth. This includes all the different plants, animals, and microorganisms, the genes they contain, and the ecosystems they form on land and in water. Biological diversity is constantly changing. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life and its processes, including the variety of living organisms, the genetic differences among them, and the communities and ecosystems in which they occur. Fact that matter. Scientists have identified about 1.9 million species alive today. They are divided into the 6 kingdoms of life shown in Figure 2. Scientists are still discovering new species. Thus, they do not know for sure how many species really exist today. Most estimates range from 5 to 30 million species. What we have been up to. Defining a species. Species is a group of actually or potentially interbreeding organisms. This means that members of the same species are similar enough to each other to produce fertile offspring together. Classifying living things. People have been trying to classify the tremendous diversity of life on Earth for more than 2,000 years. The science of classifying organisms is called taxonomy. Classification is an important step in understanding the present diversity and past evolutionary history of life on Earth. It helps make sense of the overwhelming diversity of living things. Some information about species. Fully 1.8 million species are known today. There may be as many as 100 million. About 1 million of currently known species are insects. There are at least 360,000 green plants. Another 75,000 are mollusks, octopi and squids, snails, mussels, etc. Nearly 60,000 fungi have been scientifically described. Among the vertebrates, roughly 28,500 ray-finned fishes, 10,000 birds, 8,000 reptiles and 5,000 mammals have been described. There are at least 4,000 species of red algae. Everything except animals. Flowering plants, ferns, clubmosses, mosses, lichens, fungi and algae comprise over 35% of all known species on Earth. A diversity of leaves. The Earth's food factories. All plants with chlorophyll can utilize the sun's energy to produce carbohydrates and oxygen. This process, which is called photosynthesis, is a prerequisite for all other life on Earth as well. Photosynthesis occurs primarily in the leaves, which are the food factories of plants. During the course of 1 year, all the green plants of the Earth produce approximately 115 metric tons of biomass, total plant matter.